If you're dealing with skin that's acting up and your digestion is a mess, trust me, I know how annoying it is. I've been there trying every skincare trend, eating all the right foods, drinking my weight in water, like seriously, nothing was helping. Then I found something that actually made a difference. It's called PrimeBiome, and yes, girl, this one's the real deal. Oh, before I forget, PrimeBiome is only sold on the official website, so don't get tricked by random links or sketchy knockoffs. I've dropped the official site link in the description below so you can check it out safely. And just FYI, they're running a limited time discount right now, so it's a good time to look into it while it lasts. Anyway, let's talk about why PrimeBiome is so different from anything else I've tried. It's this all-natural supplement that's made with powerful probiotics, herbal extracts, and plant minerals. Basically, it helps support your gut health and your skin at the same time. Yup, your gut and your skin. I had no idea how connected they were until I tried this. Like, I used to wake up bloated, tired, with these random breakouts, and nothing worked for more than a few days. But after I started taking PrimeBiome, total shift. I felt lighter, my digestion calmed down, and after a couple weeks, my skin actually started glowing again with no filter needed. The best part, it's made in the US in a GMP-certified facility, it's 100% natural, and there's no sketchy chemicals or harsh ingredients. Just stuff that works with your body, not against it. I actually first heard about it from this YouTube review by a girl named Gabby. She had the exact same struggles as me, and her results were amazing. She also mentioned something super important. Only buy from the official site. There are fakes floating around, and you don't want to mess with that. And honestly, if you're tired of trying things that don't work or only fix the outside, you have to give this a shot. They even offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if it's not your vibe, no big deal, you get a refund, no drama. But seriously, I feel so much better now, and my confidence way up. I wish I started sooner. So if you're ready to finally glow from the inside out, click the link in the description, check out PrimeBiome, and treat yourself. And if you've already tried it or have any questions, drop a comment. I love chatting with you guys down there. Thanks for watching, stay hydrated, stay glowing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!